Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 PC or laptop not turn off after clicking shutdown. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, off. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Sayable Bus Controllers. Click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.